Hi, Wesley with Expandacraft here with a very short video about making your electric motor more efficient and quiet through the water. If you'll see this red tape, this shows me where the water line is when I'm underway. So I've got this much of the cylindrical shaft in the water, but this boat is so slick through the water that it moves quite quickly and it causes a ripple behind this shaft, which is cavitation, air pocket. And especially from here, that air pocket, when it hits the propeller, causes cavitation on the blade of the propeller. So what I do is I take this very thin piece of aluminum. I'm gonna wrap 3M double-side tape here. I wrap it around, I squeeze it together, and I take another piece of 3M tape here, as I'll show you in one of the other boats, and I squeeze it together like so to make this foil shape so that the water comes off at a slighter angle. Now, of course, you have to cut this just before where the blade of the propeller hits. So I would cut this right there and squeeze it. But what that does is that gives it a foil shape, and you can research foil shapes and how they work, but it's kind of like an airplane wing. You want the laminar flow of the water or air to stay in contact here, and so it won't make that trickling noise, which won't cause bubbles, and if it doesn't cause bubbles, then it won't cavitate as often or as much or at all. And that's all you do. It's a very simple little trick. I'll show you one motor that I did that to. This is the Vaquita motor that I've shown a lot of folks. Now, yeah, I got some ugly duct tape, but that's to cover up the bolts and things of the sort. But if you can see, the foil, that's where the water line is in place of this flat stock that is the arm, which causes the motor to turn, but it doesn't make a sound, and it's slick through the water. So that's just one of the tricks that you can use, given to you by Expandacraft. Expandacraft.com. Follow us and subscribe.